The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, northwestern Trail County in southeastern North Dakota, northeastern Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hatton, or 24 miles southwest of Grand Forks, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Thompson, Hatton, Reynolds, and Holmes. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, Grand Forks County in northeastern North Dakota, Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, Trail County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota, southern Walsh County in northeastern North Dakota, northeastern Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 3 a.m. At 1:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Southam to 6 miles northeast of Northwood to near Clifford, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Grand Forks, East Grand Forks, Grand Forks Air Force Base, Mayville, Hillsboro, Park River, and Laramore. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not